Can a teenager get muscular from home? Well, you can't really get muscular from home, even as an adult, but forget it as a teenager. But you can get in shape just from home with no equipment. What if you do want to get muscular? You can do it from home. Only you do need two things. One, a pair of adjustable dumbbells, and two, an adjustable bench. With that, you can get muscular. But first, get the adjustable dumbbells. They are the most important, and because if you don't have an adjustable bench, you can still do a lot with the adjustable dumbbells. But if you only buy an adjustable bench, you can't really do that much. So get them, the two of them. Why? You can do a lot of exercises with them. If you already have them, great. Then you can do exercises with them. Short answer: can you get muscular from home? Well, not really, but you can if you have a bit of equipment. Then you can get muscular from home. How do you get muscular from home then? Because now you know that you can get muscular. How do you get muscular? Just train. I've made a lot of videos about how to get muscular. Okay, not a lot. Just simple. You train by doing bicep curls with the adjustable dumbbells. You could do dumbbell bench press. First practice the form, and then later, after a month or two, you could start training for hypertrophy. Then train to failure. And that does not mean keep a few sets in reserve. That means complete failure in a set. But what if you don't even have equipment? How do you then get muscular? That's gonna be hard. What you can do, you will probably in the future you will probably go to a gym or something if you're older. But now you could start building the foundation already. You could start doing push-ups. You could do other body weight exercises. You can also train form. If you have dumbbell bench press, you could train form with that. How do you train the form then? You don't have any dumbbells or something. You could literally use some water bottles. Or if you have some 3 kg weights, you could use them. You could still build the foundation, or also build good eating habits, good training habits. Start pushing till failure in push-ups, because with push-ups you can really train till failure. Do that. Don't just sit there and give up if you don't have anything. And you still get in shape. If you have that foundation, and if you're like 16 and you're allowed to go to the gym, you have a bit of money, then go. Because then you already have the nice foundation. You have that bodyweight exercise you have. So you have the foundation with the habits. And then it's way easier to train. You will get gains even faster. Because it's worth it, trust me. I never really trained form. But you should. In the first few months, always train form. I only build the habits. I only build the tolerance still to failure, like the pain tolerance in the muscles. Some muscles I didn't even build the pain tolerance enough, like the legs or the forearms. And now that really hurts. I regret that. So do that. Short answer, I'll repeat it myself again. You can't get muscular, but you can get in shape. And you might think, boring. Another video. If you do that, you won't get muscular. You will never get muscular. So start as early as possible. You don't even have to worry about the noob gains. They won't go away if you just train in the form or do push-ups. Go on the ground and do push-ups. How many you can. Well, it could even be one. just so you do the actual steps. So if you do that, what's on the other side of all the pain, all the boring days where you can only train the form and you can't go use the leverage machines? After that, after all the hard work, there's your muscular body. There are your big biceps. You can look at yourself in the mirror and not feel shameful. You can actually feel proud of yourself. You can feel good. If you learned something from this video, if you're going to take action, I will launch, in the future I will launch a course for beginners on bodybuilding. If you want to see more videos like this, you could hit the subscribe button, but I'm trying to sound like a YouTuber. But if you do that, you will see more videos like this on your homepage. Thanks for watching, I hope this is helpful. Bye.